It is a grand face-off over Colgate once again disrupting the parliament. The latest, a barrage of bombs, has poisoned the atmosphere in the parliament. Today, the Congress president followed from where Sushma Swaraj left off on Monday. Speaking to her party MP, Sonia minced no words in accusing the BJP of singularly undermining democratic institutions like the parliament. Twisting the knife further, Sonia also said that the BJP was blackmailing the nation by holding parliament to ransom. She did not quite stop there. The Congress president rounded off her remarks by claiming that blackmail was the BJP's political bread and butter.
It is a matter of regret, of even shame, that at a time when serious issues are affecting our people and our country, Parliament is not being allowed to function and fulfill its proper constitutional role. This is the handiwork of just one party, the BJP. This once again shows up the scant respect it has for democratic values. What else can we conclude when its senior-most leader refers to our government as illegitimate, thereby mocking the people of India for the convincing mandate they have given us?
No sooner that the Congress president launched the broadside that all hell broke loose. Of course, the Congress losing no opportunity.
By what standard of language does kangaroo court become uncivilized? The reason is that the Bharatiya Janata Party is not able to make a cogent argument either in a parliamentary committee or in the public space.
Mota mal is a very ordinary language of an ordinary man, and coal is black. Mota mal people understand. But I would just like to recall, was it very parliamentary or civil when Sonia ji told Mr. Narendra Modi, Maut ka Saudagar? Would she like to recall that as well?
She said that we need to repel and rebut the vicious attack launched by the BJP against us. We have nothing to hide, and I think we have nothing to hide. We have made it clear time in and time out that the Goebbelian propaganda machine of the BJP intended to perpetuate falsehood as truths is not going to succeed.
We don't have to have a certificate of negativity or positivity from Sonia ji. Your government will keep on unleashing the worst corruption since independence. 2G, Commonwealth, Colgate, airport privatization, you name, and skeletons keep on coming with alarming regularity. You will not have accountability of your government, though you are the real power. And when we protest, you say we are doing negative politics. Sorry, Sonia ji, this is plainly not acceptable.
Of course, the Congress losing no opportunity to draw attention to Sushma Swaraj's own indiscretions. On Monday, Sushma had made a snide jibe at the Congress that has also fallen foul of non-BJP, non-Congress politicians.
कांग्रेस पार्टी कटघरे में खड़ी है. मैं सीधे सीधे देहाती भाषा में कहूं, इस अलॉटमेंट में कांग्रेस पार्टी को मोटा माल मिला है. मोटा माल.
यार बोलते हैं कि मोटा माल लिया. छत्तीसगढ़ में, झारखंड में, कर्नाटका में, मध्य प्रदेश में, जो राजस्थान में जो मोटा माल लिया, माल क्योंकि माल का परिभाषा मोटा जानती है, सुषमा जी जानती है, तो ये मोटा माल रेड्डी ब्रदर्स किस किस नेता को देता था?
Politicians trade bombs. The nation is silently bleeding. 12 crore rupees have already been lost to the exchequer each day. Each day that Parliament's time is wasted cost 2 crore rupees to the nation. Well, that in all is 26,000 rupees per minute. Dozens of key bills also remain pending in this melee.